morning, class. I once said, this class is for exam classes, people that are preparing for what different exams, entrance exams, scholarship exams, and all that. So if there are some things that we are saying that you don't understand, you can do a little browsing and understand it further. Like perimeter, let's say you don't know what perimeter is. Perimeter is distance around a shape. You can just type it on YouTube and see what it is. But this class is strictly for exam people that are preparing for exams. So today we are doing finding the missing sides of plane and what solid shapes. Missing sides, example, when they give you area and they are telling you to find the length, they give you area, they are telling you to find what the breadth, the height, the radius. What do? All you need to do is you need to have basic knowledge of the areas and perimeters and volumes. Basic knowledge. Take for instance the basic knowledge of what this question, the perimeter of a rectangle is 26 cm. So the basic knowledge I need here is what? Perimeter equal to 2 brackets length plus width. This is the basic knowledge I need. So now I have this. I know there is another formula for doing this, but I'm teaching you in such a way that even if you don't remember that formula and you know the basic formula, you can still solve and get your answer. That is what I'm teaching you. There are other ways to do these things, but I'm teaching you this one way. So you know the basic formula, that is perimeter equal to 2 bracket length plus width. The next thing I'm going to do in this class is to start substituting. That means replacing numbers with what? Replacing our formula with numbers according to what the question said. 26 is for perimeter. The perimeter of a rectangle is 26. So this is 26. 2 brackets. They said find the width. So I don't have width. If the length is 8, there is a length 8 plus breadth. Are you seeing it now? So all I need to do now, if you've not watched my video on equations, please go and watch it. All I need to do is I need to find this one. So all I need to do is to remove the like terms, remove other numbers attached to this. And how am I going to do it? I'm going to start from the number outside the bracket. So I will remove this one. This will give me what? 13. So I have 13 here. I still have an 8 plus W in a bracket. Anytime there is a bracket, there is always an invisible one that you can use to open the bracket if there is nothing outside the bracket. So if I put 1 here and use it to multiply, 1 times 8 is what? 8. 1 times W is what? W. Are you getting it now? So I have this simple equation. All I need to do now is to remove the 8, that is minus 8 and minus 8. 13 minus 8 is equal to what? 5 cm. Equal to what? W. Assuming they now say find the area. Let's say find the area if the length is what? 8 cm. Find the area if the length is 8 cm. All I need to do is, now that I have the what? Width, I can do what? Find the area. That is length times width. That is 8 times 5. 8 times 5 will give me what? 30. Thank you.